This is the PS5 Slim, and today we're gonna be unboxing it. I'm gonna be giving my first impressions on it. I actually never got the original PS5, so this is my first time actually using a PS5. I'm actually excited. Yeah, let's jump right into this. So this right here is the Spider-Man edition. There's also the Call of Duty edition. I've actually never played this game, so it's gonna be my first time playing it. But other than that, the box is like the original PS5 box. I think this is gonna be easier if I flip this. Woo! So, let's open it up. Hey, wow. So, first thing we got here is a power cord. These are horizontal stand feet. They prevent the PS5 from resting on the floor when you want to lay it down horizontally. Open this up. We have an HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C cable. Ooh. We got the haptic controller. Sony tried to change things with the new haptic feedback. Yeah, I'm actually excited to try this out. And now we remove the top. And this is where the actual PS5 is. Wow. I mean, it is slim. Then again, I never actually had the original PS5, so I don't know how big it was. Guys, look at this. Look at this bad boy. Wow. And this right here is the Spider-Man 2 voucher. We got the quick start guide and the safety guide. Now, we don't need this. We don't need the box either. This is what I'm here for. I mean, look at how good this looks. Like, wow. This is a glossy finish, so there are two different types of finishes. But I actually like it. You know, in person, it's actually not that bad. So this right here is everything included with your PS5. So this is the type of glossy finish. And then this is the regular from the older PS5. If you come down here to the ports, got the power port. We got two USB-A ports, Ethernet port, HDMI port. And on the front, we got two USB-C ports, the power button, and the disc ejection tool. So if you guys didn't know, this disc drive is actually detachable. So let's see how easy it is to remove and put it back. Okay, so we're gonna scoot. Let me scoot this guys over. Gonna remove this. So how do we remove this guy? I don't see any screws. I'm gonna take a risk. Let's see. Okay. Oh wow, dude, that's so easy to remove. That's crazy. For this guy.
Many minutes later.
Let's see. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Look at how easy that was. Wow, I gotta give props to Sony for this because this is genuinely nice. This is so easy to change. There's no even screws. And then to plop it back in, I guess we take this guy. I guess we put these clips in back first. Take this guy, plop that. Take this guy. So yeah, I have to give props to Sony for this because this design is genuinely nice. If you buy the disc, you saw how easy it was. You can do it in less than 2 minutes, realistically. So it's very easy to do. If you bought the digital version, you can always go back and buy the disc drive if you ever feel like you need it. Or if your disc drive goes bad, you can always replace it pretty easily. So the disc drive is $80 US and the digital version is $450 US, while the non-digital version, so this one I have right here, is $500 US. So if you do ever think you're gonna use a disc drive, it's cheaper to just get it up front because you save about $30. So what's different with this guy? The first thing that's different is this guy comes with 1 terabyte of storage. So the original PS5 came with 825 gigabytes of storage, which is kind of crazy if you think about it because a lot of AAA games are around 100 gigabytes. For example, Modern Warfare 3 is around 100 gigabytes, Spider-Man 2 is around 80, and the new God of War is around 100 gigabytes. So you'd only be able to have space for maybe 7, maybe 8 AAA games, proper AAA games. So this is definitely a huge upgrade in terms of, you know, storage. And in terms of size, Sony says this is 30% less in volume compared to the original PS5. And it weighs 18 to 24% less than the original PS5. So this is definitely a smaller console. So it can fit into more tight spaces and, you know, doesn't weigh as much. So it's easier to transport. Okay, so let me list all the non-changes to this. So performance stays the same. Games are the same. Pricing, it's actually the same price unless you go for the digital version, which is a good thing because this is arguably better concerning the more storage. In terms of performance, if you're getting this for a performance boost compared to the original, there's not really going to be a performance boost there. One complaint that there is though is that you won't be able to use your old PS5 covers on this new Slim. But according to Sony, there's going to be new ones coming out in early 2024, so that really shouldn't be a problem. It's just you're going to have to get a new pair, obviously. But yeah, we've unboxed this PS5, we've taken a look at the design. So let's jump right in, set it up, and play some games. So yeah, I've been using this PS5 Slim for a while now, and I have to say, it's a really fun console. I've been playing Spider-Man for a while. It's really fun. I really love this controller, and just the design is really nice. I will say this though, if you already have a PS5, like the original PS5, I wouldn't say it's worth it just because you're paying for a whole new console when really all you're getting is a smaller design and more storage realistically. So I don't personally think it's worth it. But if you don't have a console, I'd really consider getting this PS5 Slim. In terms of the original, they're actually phasing it out. So basically, once they're sold out of the existing stock that they have, there's gonna be no more originals. So this really is gonna become the new PS5 that everyone's gonna be getting. But is the PS5 Slim better than its competitors? Well, next week, I'm gonna be putting the PS5 Slim head to head with the Xbox Series X, and we're gonna find out, you know, which one is the better console. But anyways, that's all for today's video. If you did like the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below whether or not you plan on getting the PS5 Slim. And if you don't plan on getting it, let me know why. You know, I'm actually curious to know.